Hi. Hi, this is Mason. Mason, can you show me where your esophagus is? Good job. Can you show me what a lizard says? Can you show me what a monkey says? There's a lizard. Can you show me your muscles? Wow! Show me big muscles. Big muscles. Good. What does a kitty say?
Mama.
Wow. What does a dog say? What does a kitty say?
Mama.
There you go. What does a dog say? Ooh, ooh. What does a horse say? Can you cheese? Smile. Oh, that's silly. Can you say cheese? Cheese. You're funny. Cheese. There you go. You're so handsome. Where's your head? Can you find your head? Where's your head? There's your head. Where's your ears? Where's your nose? Oh! Okay. Can you show me your sad face? Show me your sad. Oh, it's sad. Can you show me your happy face?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're happy. Okay, good job.